Good morning, student. Today we will read this passage, and you have to read with me after I have read. So let's start. Could you please? Could, give, take, thank them, over, put, and him. Could you give these to him? Mom asked. Yes, I can give them to him. Sally replied, Thank you. Mom was happy. Could you take these over there? Mom asked. Yes, I can take them over there. Randy replied, Thank you. Mom was happy. Could you put an apple over there? Mom asked. Yes, I can put an apple over there. Tommy replied. Thank you. Mom was happy. Next, say please. Words are say, please, want, have, yes, no, must, do. Do you want to have cake? You must say yes or no. John said, Yes, please. Do you want to have ice cream? You must say yes or no. John said, No, thank you. Do you want to have pizza? You must say yes or no. John said, Yes, please. Do you want to have milk? You must say yes or no. John said, No, thank you. Tell us why. Tell why. Sing. Read these, those, us, right before. Tell us why you sing these songs. I sing these songs before I go to bed. Tell us why you read those books. I read those books before I go to school. Tell us why you write these words. I write these words before I send a letter. Tell us why you sing and read and write. I do those things for fun. Read the following passage and put the events in order. So student, I will be reading this passage for you, and your homework will be you have to put these events in order. This will be your activity. To plant a flower garden, I weed the flower bed first. Then I rake the soil to loosen it. Next, I dig little holes for the bulbs. Then I put the bulbs in the holes and cover them with soil. When I am finished planting the bulbs, I water the garden so the flowers will grow. You have to put the events in order 1 to 5. What happened? When? Okay. Next is read the following passage and again put the events in order. It is time for bed. First, I have a bath. Then I put on my pajamas. Next, I wash my face. After I brush my teeth, then mom reads me a bedtime story. Now it's lights out. So, what he does first, that you have to write, okay? Next, read the following passage and put the events in order. The first thing I do when I walk, my dog is put on his leash. Then I walk out of the door. Next, I lead him down the driveway. Then we walk around the block. After a walk, I take off the leash. So again, you have to put the events in order. Next is, this is my little kitty. How soft and white its fur is. Isn't it pretty? The cat is on the box. She saw a big rat and ran to catch it. The kitty was too slow to catch the rat. So here are the questions and you have to write the answer. What color is the kitty? What is the cat sitting on? What did the cat see? Did the kitty catch the rat? So here we are done with our